This is JV channel. I want to discuss with you about Forex. This is 2025. A lot of people don't know anything about Forex. Some people know, but they don't really get the concept about Forex and also the psychology behind it. And I will just talk about it briefly. And this channel, I will try to see how I can share few of the lessons, the basic knowledge you need to be able to start trading Forex. As you know, Forex is foreign exchange. Foreign exchange, meaning that there's a one currency that is local and another one that is foreign. Now, the example is GBP and USD. If you are in United Kingdom in London, you will need. And you go to US, you will not be able to spend this money. Then you will need to buy USD, meaning that your United States dollar. Now, at the end of the day, the value of this currency today will be different from the price of it tomorrow if you want to buy it. Let's look at another example: Naira, NGN, and USD. So these are the pairs, for example. Now, if you want to buy dollar, you need Naira, and then value of dollar will determine how much money you need to buy the dollar. And again, what do you want to use the dollar to do? So if you are buying something online or you are trading forex on the chart through brokers, we talk about brokers because you are going to be using platform where they allow you to buy and sell currencies and different pairs. So I will be talking about more all these things as time goes on, talking about pairs and so on. And so let's talk about why do you need to venture into forex and why you should not venture into forex. So the why and why not. A lot of people want to venture into forex, but they don't know the risk behind it. Now, forex is not meant for everybody. So as you know, to be a doctor is not meant for everybody. To be a banker is not for everybody. Now, if you don't have source of income that you are earning money regularly, meaning that you have money separate for investment, because forex is more of investment, and then your risk tolerance and how much can you risk per trade, all these things will affect you, because if you don't have any that you are coming in apart from forex trading, you may be tempted to use emotions to trading. Now, apart from knowing the basics of the forex trading, you need to know that forex is about opportunity and timing. When your timing of entry is not okay, you will struggle to recover and break even. And again, when you are even in profit and your market is about to reverse, you will also be having issues. So why should you venture it? Now, forex can give you a lot of money, meaning that you can make a lot of money, and if you invest through prop firm. Now, I'll be talking more about prop firm in my next video, why you should go for prop firm instead of retail trading. Now, why not? Why not is that don't if you have money that you can work on to meet your daily bills, you will not be able to enjoy it. So don't go into forex. You know that you have job that you're doing that is earning you some money, or you don't have any kind of asset like houses that are, or talking about any other investment that give you money. You should not trade forex. Forex is not for everyone. So, and again, forex can make you to be fearful, to have issues about your health in terms of psychology. If your health is not really okay, you will need to ensure that your psychology is okay. And also, it can also make you to greedy, because by the time you start making money in forex, you will not want to leave forex. You will be tempted to continue to trade all the time and trying to be also press the button of buy or sell and close, take profit or take stop losses. So these are the things you need to know, the reason why you should venture it and you should not venture it. So if you want freedom, forex can give you freedom, but also can also put in the bondage. So now, talking about freedom, you know that wherever you are, you can trade forex as long as you have internet and laptop. So you can't be restricted in one place. Like one office or one hub tech environment where you need internet. As long as even with phone, you can also even trade forex through brokers or through firm broker. Now, talking about the reason why you should know is that with forex trading, it may consume your time. It takes time because you'll be thinking about forex most of the time. Instead of to be doing other things, you will not have some time for other things. So it depends on what business are you doing currently, or what work are you doing currently. So some people want to retire. So I mean, stop their businesses, their jobs to face forex. You know, fine, but the issue is that you have to ensure that you have money, in the bank to take care of you for some months, which you will not touch, even though if anything happens to your account. So all these things you need to consider them before you venture into forex. So forex is a cool business. It's also dangerous business because it's only big people, banks, hedge funds, all those people that have billions, millions of dollars in accounts that they don't depend on it. So it's not for those who are just having maybe $200, $100, $300, $500. All those ones are just for you to be taking small change. And again, it is not really sustainable for you. It's not really cool. But if you, in my next video, I will tell you how you'll be able to maybe look for funds through profile, meaning that you give companies more money and then they will give a big account. They will expect you to meet phase one, phase two evaluations. You go through it, and then before you get funded. So when you get funded, you'll be able to have more leverage to make money, and then 80% of the money you make, it will be coming to you. And that is one thing about it. So forex, I'll be later on. I'll talk about technologies in forex. As you know, as a doctor, there are some technologies you will be saying, ampicillin, cycloplin, all different kind of technologies you'll be hearing doctors say. The same thing happens to forex traders. If you are into forex trading, there are some technologies you must know for you to be able to understand the language, at least know what's happening in the market. So, and a lot of them, I'll just mention a few of them. As time goes on this channel, I'll be talking about some of them, especially the terminologies. We have, if you hear pips, you hear stop loss, you hear take profit, you hear PS, you hear something like a pending order, and this pending order has different buy limit, sell limit, sell stop, buy stop, and then takes profit also pending order. Pending order, you see have a lot of order that you will consider the market execution. So market execution, these are the things that you will talk about. So on this channel, I'll just do an introduction to today to talk about forex trading. And as time goes on, if you have information or some ideas about forex, so you should understand that forex is a bit deep. Thanks so much for watching, and see you some other time.